A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 9, verse 21 to 23. And he drank of the wine and was drunken, and he was uncovered within his tent. And Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of her father, and told his two brethren without. And Shem and Japheth took a garment and laid it upon both their shoulder and went backward, and covered the nakedness of their father. And their faces were backward, and they saw not their father's nakedness. So this is the time that Noah already harvest the the fruit of his vineyards, and he created wine, and he became extremely drunk, and to the point that he was not already aware that he is naked, and here come one of his son, and saw his nakedness, and but instead of covering him, come go to Shem and Japheth, and he he started to gossip about the nakedness of his father, and luckily Shem and Japheth came to the rescue of Noah to cover his nakedness.